Right guys, before anything starts, have you subscribed yet? If not, please subscribe now. Trimming your hedges and bushes is now simpler than ever. You don't have to worry about tiring your arms, your back, or your shoulders anymore. These are our XL electric hedge trimmer cutters. These trimmer cutters come with low weight and compact design, ideal for maintenance for small sized hedges. Both machines have powerful motors. It has the power to storm through smaller edges with ease, and its ground blades ensures it for it to have a perfect cut and finish. This 450 watts trimmer can do up to 1,500 RPMs, comes with a 450mm blade, and it's got a maximum cutting capacity of 16mm. On the other hand, this one's got 620 watts, it's got 1,700 RPMs, and it comes with a 550mm blade and has a maximum cutting capacity of 20mm. Also, a good thing is they come with a safety protection cover, which comes off nice and easily like that. Shop this now at toolsfortrade.co.uk.